everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're doing something a little different today, and it's got a funky angle. This is a concrete egg. There is a guy in town that makes all kinds of different shapes, and I have this size egg, and then I have a bigger egg that's, I don't know, probably like almost 2 feet. And I just took all the cups, little cups I had laying on my desk of paint and put them all in here. So it's a mix of some funky colors. And we are going to pour a concrete Easter egg. So I wanted you to be able to see the paint slide down. That's why the funky angle. So bear with me on that. Let it slide down. Then we'll turn it and see. Gosh, I barely used any paint whatsoever. I did take the concrete and I used the 2 times paint and primer by Rust-Oleum. So, okay, I'm going to turn it so you can see it. And who knows what we'll do with this, the last of this paint. I'm going to put a little bit more because I don't like this spot over here. Sorry again about the weird angle and the funky lighting, but we have a colorful concrete Easter egg now. Okay, hopefully I can turn this without it falling, but here is what the egg looks like. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Take care, everybody.